Hey now, you're a math star. Get your game on. Go count. Hey now, you're a math star. Get your game on. Go add. When all that counting is done, we'll be adding sums. How are you today, math stars? Today you are in module 7, lesson 3. So if you can go get your book and a pencil, that would be great. And we will get started right away. All right. I can say it, I can draw pictures to show the number 10. So far this module, we have done pictures that have shown 6, 7, 8, and 9. And before that, you did all the numbers 1 through 5. So you can do 1 through 9 right now. Let's see if you can do 10. I bet you can. No problem. You're on page 195. You ready? Do you know how to write that? Let's try it. 195. There's the 1 for 100, the 9 for 95, 195. And it looks like a ticket booth to maybe a fair, carnival. I wonder, have you ever been to a fair or a carnival? Listen to this story. How can you represent tickets in the story? Say the number. Zoe is at the carnival with her family. She needs tickets to ride the carousel. How many tickets does she need? I didn't say that, did I? Let's try again. Zoe is at the carnival with her family. She needs 10 tickets to ride the carousel. That's better. We need a number, math wizard. 10 tickets. So I'm going to do for tickets. What shape could you do? Whatever shape you want. I'm going to do rectangle. So here we go. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that enough? No. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Does she have enough tickets now? Is that how many she needs? Okay. Why don't you pause this while you draw those tickets? Okay. 10 tickets. Try to draw 10 rectangles. All right. Nice job. Oh, do you remember what this is called? It's called a 10 frame. And now we're doing the number 10. I wonder what that means for our 10 frame. So let's listen to the story. How can you use an object to represent each basketball? Say the number. Trace the number. Ray has 10 basketballs to throw into the basket. How many basketballs? 10. What shape do you think I'm going to use for a basketball? If you said circle, you're right. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's so many circles we had to draw, huh? But did we fill up the 10 frame? We did. That tells us there are 10 rectangles in a 10 frame. Nicely done. You can pause this video while you draw those. Okay, so now that you drew those circles, now we have to say 10 and we have to trace it. A 10 is actually 2 digits. It's a 1 and a 0. Okay, so I want you to practice writing the 1 and the 0. But the 1 and the 0 have to be kind of close to each other. When I want to do 2 different 10s, though, I need to have spaces between the 2 10s. So I have a 1 and a 0, 1 and a 0. But see that space in between them? You want to make sure you put spaces between your numbers. Okay. Oh, do you remember what this number is from yesterday? It's a 9 and 10. Let's listen. There are 10 cars on a train. How can you use an object to represent each train car? Circle the number that represents the group of train cars. I'm going to do a rectangle for the train cars. And there's 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I just didn't have enough room, and that's okay. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which one is 10? Circle whichever number is 10. I just put a rectangle around it. That's silly. Why don't you pause this while you do that? Pause the video while you do that problem. There, she found the carousel. There are 10 children waiting in line for the carousel, for the merry-go-round. How can you use an object to represent each child? Circle the number that represents the group of children. So we're going to draw 10 children in line. It says right here, that says wait here. So this is the beginning of the line. So we're going to do, I'm going to do a different shape today. And I'm going to draw children. Let's draw 10. 1, 2. Does that shape show up very much? It doesn't. It's a diamond, isn't it? I'm going to do a different shape. I'm going to do a rectangle. 1, 2, count for me. 5, 6, 7. That kid's really tall. Okay, 10. Now, which of these numbers is 10? And I want you to circle it to represent, circle the number that represents the group. Okay? You can pause this while you do that. It might take a while to draw 10 of something, right? Okay. There are 3 questions that are on your own questions. Okay. So what you need to do is you need to go find your homeschool teacher to read the directions to you, and then you can show them your answers. Remember, this is your time to show them you're a math star, right? And what you've learned. So try to do it without any help. Okay. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.